Creating a discussion with AI Design Assistant in Blackboard Ultra. The AI Design Assistant in Blackboard Ultra can help instructors save time when creating discussion topics for engaging students in authentic assessment with critical thinking. This feature uses Anthology and Microsoft Azure's responsible AI framework to generate suggested discussion topics based upon your course's title, description, and additional settings that you select. The data you enter into the Blackboard AI Design Assistant is processed for your use in Blackboard, is not shared with others, and is not used to improve AI models. The AI Design Assistant is intended to complement existing workflows initiated by instructors. The instructor maintains control over the information input and bears the responsibility of critically evaluating the generated output. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process instructors can use to generate a discussion question for a graded activity. At all steps in the creation process, you have control to review, adjust, and customize what the AI Design Assistant generates. To add a new graded discussion assignment to your course content, navigate to a location in the content outline where you want this assessment to appear. In this location, click the Add button. In the menu that appears, select Create. In the panel that appears, select Discussion. You will be taken to a page to create the discussion topic. Click the Auto Generate Discussion button. You will be taken to the Auto Generate Discussion page. At first, you may see content automatically generated based on course title, course description, and module title. Use the settings on the left side of the page to customize a prompt that adds more context and specificity. This will help improve the usefulness of the generated content. Let's take a look at this. In this example, I have entered a set of specific learning objectives for my syllabus into the description field. However, you may type descriptions or other keywords here to describe background information, a goal, or the role of participants in the intended assessment. This field will accept up to 2,000 characters. As an alternative, I could have selected one or more items from the course content outline by clicking on the Select Course Items button. Either option will help create a specific prompt with details to improve the generated results. Next, choose a cognitive level of assessment from the provided drop-down menu. This setting relates to Bloom's taxonomy, which is an educational framework for assessing student learning. A discussion assessment will allow you to select one higher-order cognitive skill for critical thinking. Your options include Apply, Analyze, Evaluate, and Create. These levels require a student to demonstrate their understanding by making connections to real-world applications, analyzing or evaluating concepts, or creating something with their knowledge. If you select Inspire Me, the tool will generate a variety of discussion questions at different cognitive levels. In this example, I will pick Evaluate because it matches the Bloom's taxonomy level in one of my learning objectives. Next, choose a complexity level for the generated content. Complexity is a measure of difficulty based on academic level of study or focus. The AI Design Assistant provides 10 levels of complexity, ranging from low to high academic level of study. To help you pick a suitable level of complexity for your prompt, I have mapped what the 10 levels of complexity mean in terms of academic level of study. The complexity slider defaults to level 7, which is appropriate for a freshman or sophomore college undergraduate studies. Dragging the selection left will result in a discussion topic suitable for students at an earlier academic level of study. Dragging the selection dial right will result in a discussion topic suitable for students at a higher academic level of study. You may find that good discussion questions for college undergraduates are generated at complexity levels 6, 7, or 8, depending upon your topic and the needs of the assessment. Lastly, you may use the drop-down menu in the advanced options to select a preferred output language for the generated results. Here you have options for generating the discussion question in English, Spanish, or other languages. When you are done customizing your prompt settings, click the Generate button to see what the AI Design Assistant creates for you. In a few seconds, the page will display an updated assortment of discussion questions for you to review. Always review the results of generative AI tools for accuracy and bias. If you do not like the generated results, you may edit your prompt settings and generate a new batch of discussion questions. It may take some practice to bring about a suitable result. However, keep in mind that you can use this tool to get you started in the creation process. You may edit and tailor a chosen discussion question to fully meet your expectations. When you find a suitable discussion question to work with, select it and click the Add button at the bottom of the page. You will be taken back to the discussion creation page where you can edit and customize the assessment to your requirements. The text of the discussion instructions will automatically be selected for editing in the text editor. Once you have this finalized, click the Save button to save your work. Please note that the discussion will be created as an ungraded activity at first. To make the discussion assessment gradable, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings panel, select the Grade Discussion checkbox. You may customize additional settings, such as adding a due date, as desired. When you are done selecting settings, click on the Save button. As a final step, make the discussion available to students using the availability controls in the right corner. Then exit out of the screen by clicking on the purple X button. When you return to the course content outline, your new graded discussion activity will be present in the location where you added it. Students will be able to access it and add their responses for you to grade, as usual, through the gradebook. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have questions about Blackboard's AI Design Assistant, contact Online Learning.